Hello, boys and girls. Here is our math LEQ for the day. I'm going to read it first, and then we will talk about what it means. And at the end, I'll read it again, and I want you to practice reading it with me too. So here I go. It says, how can we describe the length of two or more objects? So as you can see, I already drew some pictures and underlined some words. So the first one is describe. And that means you're gonna have to tell me about it. So I drew a person talking and saying, one, blah, 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 blah. So you're gonna have to talk about it. And the length, if you see my line, the length is always measured sideways. And you could think of it as your class getting in line for lunch or for specials. Is that line going to be a long line or a short line? So whenever we describe the length of something, we're going to use the words long or short. And then it says of two. So I wrote the number 2, so you remember that's how we read this word two, or more objects. And another word for objects would be things. So it would be anything you can measure. So here I just drew a crayon, a spoon, a flower. So objects are things you can measure. So I'm going to read it again, and then I want you to practice reading it with me. Here we go. How can we describe the length of two or more objects? Let's read it together. Ready? Go. How can we describe the length of two or more objects? Good job, boys and girls. I'll talk to you later.